How to get SHEIN's free trial. SHEIN's free trial program allows customers to receive free clothing and accessories in exchange for detailed reviews, helping others make informed purchasing decisions. Here's how to participate. Step 1. Access the free trial center. Log in, sign into your SHEIN account. If you don't have one, register here. Navigate. Go to the free trial center. Step 2. Apply for free trial items. Browse. Explore the available trial items, updated weekly, including women's, men's, kids, and home products. Select, click Free Trial on up to 3 items per week. Choose your size and ensure your shipping address is correct. Submit. Confirm your selections. Your application status will be pending under My Applications. Step 3. Await selection results. Notification. Winners are announced on the free trial page and notified via email or app notification. Status check. If selected, your application status changes to approved. If not, it shows failed. Step 4. Receive and review the product. Delivery. Approved items are shipped to your provided address. Review. Within 10 days of receiving the item, submit a detailed review including text. Discuss quality, style, fit, fabric, and construction. Photos. Include a full body shot wearing the item and detailed images. Submission. Upload your review via My Free Trial. Post report. Step 5. Earn SHEIN points. Standard review. Earn 20 points for a review meeting basic requirements. High quality review. Earn an additional 100 points if marked as high quality. Points can be used for discounts on future purchases. By following these steps, you can participate in SHEIN's free trial program, enjoy free products, and assist the community with your insights.